All this filament, an empty printer. Let's print what you want. It's Filament Friday. Today's Filament Friday suggestion comes from subscriber JMap Science. It's a design from Thingiverse user Pierchi. What is really interesting is how the design attaches to the ribs on the inside of the Davinci walls. Here is the print image from Thingiverse. You can see the 3 hooks and the clip for the brush. There are also the clips to grab onto the Davinci ribs. Let's print this on my Davinci. Okay, the print's done. Looks pretty good. It's got some hooks there for holding the paddle. A clip on the end for holding the brush. But I got to clean up the bottom because it's mushed down from the bed. So I'll get out the rotary tool. Gets rid of that. Now let's see if it fits the ribs. Perfect. Quite nice. They'll even hold the glue. So there you have it, Filament Friday. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe. That way I know you're watching. See you next time. That's really cool. If you have a suggestion for a future Filament Friday, leave it in the comment section.